The pre-installed tubing length in tiered fountains is designed to allow easy access to the pump for flow adjustment and for cleaning the input. The longer tubing length allows for pump adjustment outside of the housing, but can cause the tubing to restrict flow. With a bit of maneuvering, you can position it to reduce the chance of that happening. However, if the pump moves around and that happens again, you will reduce the flow to the top feature piece. It's super important that that tubing has no bends or kinks in it all the way up to the top. Therefore, it may be best to simply cut a small piece of that tubing out to ensure that your installation is perfect from the very beginning. Now you can attach the tubing securely to the pump, then place it back in that basin in such a way that, again, no bends or kinks all the way to the top, but also that the pump sits in there nicely with the front end tilted just a little bit forward to make sure it gets all the water.